Righteous Food Robloxed.
Shot with you, silly.
Oh, you're not?
No, I'm not.
Hurry up,
Okay.
Buttercup. Hi, welcome back to Righteous Food Robloxed. Oh, come on!
I like you.
Help me! Today we're making pizza.
Right on. All right, so here's how you do it.
Let's start by activating our yeast. Pour 3/4 cup of warm water into a bowl and add 2 1/4 teaspoon yeast and 1 teaspoon sweetener, preferably maple syrup. Let this sit for 15 minutes until it foams up. Next, add 2 tablespoons olive oil and a teaspoon of salt and stir. Then mix in 2 cups of flour, a half cup at a time, until it is well mixed. Finish combining with your hands and then place the ball of dough into a new bowl that has been oiled. Roll the dough to coat with the oil. Cover with a towel and place in a warm place to rise for about an hour.
All right, so you want to go ahead and pull a couple of cloves off of here, Pumpkin?
Yep, sure.
For the toppings, we chopped up garlic, basil, onion, sweet peppers, black olives, tomatoes, and we had some tomato sauce.
Next, let's knead and roll out or toss the dough. We also added in some dried herb to our crust for a little extra flavor. As you can see, I made a regular veggie pizza. Tomato sauce, chopped basil, garlic, black olives, and just some little pepper.
For another variation, we also made a Margherita Pizza, which is garlic butter and oil sauce topped with fresh sliced tomato, fresh basil leaves, and mozzarella. We do make a vegan stretchy mozzarella, but we went easy today and used a store-bought vegan cheese by Simple Truth that we really like.
Now place your pizzas in an oven preheated to 425 degrees for 12 to 18 minutes. In the meantime, let's make a garlic, herbed butter, and olive oil sauce for the crust when it comes out of the oven.
While your pizza's in the oven, this is a great time to clean up your workspace. So we were really impatient and wanted to eat, so we pulled the pizza out a little early. So this is about 10 minutes and the dough is done. It's just very soft. So throw it back in for 5 more minutes to brown it up nice and crispy.
And so we're popping a few pieces back in while I teach you a new game on Roblox. So, type Jailbreak into your search bar and hit enter. Like usual, it will be the first one. Whenever your screen loads up, click the green play button, 'cause you can. So, we're gonna pick police or prisoner. Which one do we want to be? Let's say police. You have to be a police or a prisoner. The police have to stop the criminals from robbing stores by cuffing them, tasing them so you can cuff them, spiking their tires and cuffing them. 4 is road spikes, 3 is taser, 2 is cuffs, and 1 is pistol.
Okay, so where are we now?
So right now we're in like the second area of the police station. This is the second police station, I think. We're gonna be a police, and you know what? We might as well be a prisoner too, so I can show you.
So how do you get on the helicopter?
You press E. Oh, looky here. Hey, do you see that?
What is
There's somebody driving. Oh wait, no, it's another police. Do you know how I can tell?
No, how?
It will have a blue or it will have a red name tag.
What color do the criminals have?
Red.
Oh, red is... Oh no, do you die if that happens?
Oh no!
Did it do the parachute for you, or did you...
No, you have to press space, but I glitched. Uh-oh. Well, if you do glitch, you're gonna wanna just fall into the abyss. We're gonna get in a car. So how you drive the car is just like walking around. You use WASD. S to go backwards, A to turn to the right, I think. Yeah, if you're backing up, it's turning to the right. If you're going forward, it's turning to the left. Oh yes, in Q, whenever you're in a car, it helps you. It's a speed boost.
Helps you go faster.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But you'll run out, so don't use it all at once. So if you look, it'll have some it'll say somebody started a certain type of robbery.
Okay.
So when it does, you're going to want to go to that place. And I'm going to show you the locations of all of the special places that you're going to need to go to. So right now we're going to the museum. In the museum, you have to have 2 people to rob it. Is that a criminal? Hello? Oh, nope, it's a police. Hello, fellow police. Alright, well, anyway, we're going to go up here because someone's robbing the museum. It might kick you out because you're not a prisoner, so it'll kick you out. But you have to wait for the prisoners to come out. So while we're waiting, let's just have a little party and use /E dance. Ba-da-bum-bum-bum. Yep, just waiting. I don't think they're here. Hey, look, a helicopter. I bet that's a criminal. Let's go get it. Oh yes, and if your car flips, press V. Oh,
what does that do?
It flips your car back up. Turn. So you might see all these icons on your screen. Well, the one that looks like it has a jewel on it is the jewelry store. Well, it may look like it's something broken. The one that's a light bulb, right there, is the power plant. The one that has the red and the the one that has like a money bag, that's the bank. The one that looks like a broken donut is the donut store. And the gas station is the one that looks like a rectangle with a spout on it, so it's technically anyway. Criminals. It's a criminal's he didn't lock it. I can steal his car. Yes! 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 Alright. I just stole a criminal's helicopter. Oh, there's a criminal. There's a criminal.
He stole from somebody else.
Mm-hmm. So as you can see, there's a criminal driving over there. Uh-oh, he turned. Where'd he go? Zoom out so you can find the criminal.
How do you zoom out?
You press O.
O to zoom out and I to zoom in, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Right now, there is a criminal driving. I think he's going to the volcano base. I'm going to show you where that is. No, don't go there, because you can't get in there, only if you're a criminal. So we're going to go to over here, which is not...
Is it a secret entrance?
Mm-hmm. Well, it's not really secret. It's for police if they can't get in. I found him. He is the crime boss. He is crime boss. Get him. Ah, I'm dying. Oh no. I'm dying. Hey, buddy, let me get in my car. I stole his car. Uh-oh. Not good. Steal his car. Uh-oh. No. Oh, I died.
Oh, you gave it your all, which was your life.
Yeah.
Now you started back at?
Oh, this is the jail. This is the first prison. Well, not the first prison. It's the first police area. So, there's this. It has the same as the second police station, but it has it's technically the same. It has a helicopter on top, but the second one is smaller, but the first one is bigger. So now
Is this the second one or first one on top?
this is the first one.
Oh, okay.
Hello. These are prisoners. You can tell by their suits. Hello. He's gonna pickpocket me. Let me tell you what pickpocketing is. Whenever they pickpocket you, they steal your key card, which that means that they can get into the jail. I'm not the jail, the police stations. Alright, so I think we've learned enough about police. I'm gonna go ahead and change to a prisoner. That's all we have time for today. Join me next week for part 2 of Jailbreak.
Join us next week for more recipes from Righteous Food and Robloxed.
Bye.
Bye.